Let's take a look at DVRConv, the quickest and easiest way to batch convert video files using Amped's powerful conversion engine. We've designed DVRConv to be fast and intuitive, and so the interface is fairly simple. At the top of the interface is where you can drag and drop in your files, and underneath this is where the conversion status will be displayed. At the bottom of the interface, there are buttons to open the input and output folders, the program options, and the ability to access the support portal from within the software itself. So let's see DVRConv in action. Simply drag and drop your files into the interface and the process will start. The files will be copied to the input folder and then written to the output folder once they're converted, meaning your original files remain untouched. Any files that have been successfully converted are marked in blue, and files that weren't able to be converted are shown in red. A console log provides a full log of the conversions in the next tab. The program options allow for customizing not only the language, but also the presets and conversion settings, as well as output format and codec, quality for H.264 and H.265 codecs, and the ability to utilize hardware acceleration, among other ways to customize the program to suit your needs. The output folders can be changed from their default location to folders of your preference, and any extensions you wish to include or exclude can be added or removed here. If we look at the output folder, we can see that all our converted files are present, alongside the conversion logs and any time files. We can now play the converted file in standard playback software, meaning that any large amount of video evidence you need to present can be converted quickly, without hassle, and using Amped's powerful conversion engine. If you'd like more information on Amped DVRConv, then please check out our website, our blog, our social pages, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Amped content in the future.